Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Ford Focus SE. This specific one is the hatchback model. So it provides a great amount of rear cargo space, as well as your full-size spare. Rear seat room is pretty good for the segment. That seat's all the way up. That's why it's so much larger room on that side. But really nice. Actually, I owned a Focus for a year before I bought my Challenger. This one has the 2-liter 4-cylinder, 6,400 miles on this one. Not many miles at all. Standard e-brake. Really nice materials used on the dash. They are soft touch, as you can see. Yeah. This is a dual clutch automatic transmission. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and head out on the road. Really nice driving experience. It definitely is pretty sporty. You could also have gotten the Focus ST, providing 252 horsepower, 270 pound-feet of torque. If that wasn't enough for you, you could have also gotten the Focus RS with 350 horsepower and pound-feet of torque. However, this 2.0 is ample for what you need on a day-to-day use. At the end of the day, this is a city car. That's what it's meant for, you know, running around town, stuff like that, and it excels in that department. Brake feel is great, actually. Plenty of bite, nice pedal feel. (2018) was the last model year for the Ford Focus here in the United States and North America. I don't think they're bringing the new one to Canada either. It's kind of a shame that all the big three American automakers are moving away from sedans. I've always liked sedans over crossovers, but it's what the market desires. It's what people have been buying, and automakers have to make money. If they just built a car that one person would want to buy, they'd have millions of cars on the lot that one person in the world would buy, you know? Visibility is really, really good. When I had my Focus ST, I had no problem seeing out of it whatsoever. You also have little blind spot mirrors in the mirrors themselves. For being the mid-trim level, it's really, really nice in here, actually. You could have gone with the titanium, which had your leather seats, full Sync 3 unit. But you know what? This is still pretty good, and this is Ford's Sync 1 unit, I believe, is what they put in the 2018s. There's also a secret menu hidden in the gauge cluster that can be accessed by pressing a series of buttons upon starting the car. As a matter of fact, I'll probably pull over to the side in a little bit and demonstrate that for you. In that secret menu is everything you would ever need to know about the car, pertaining to both the engine and the gauge cluster itself. It's known as the test mode. I found it pretty much by chance. I also heard rumors about it when I had my ST, and oftentimes I would just leave it on that so I could pay attention to the RPM, stuff like that. Alright, I'll go ahead, pull over on the side. Gonna have to shut the car off, turn it back on in order to activate it. Put it in park. Hold these two buttons. There we go. There we go. Very fun to drive on these back roads. Now we'll test the suspension here. Not bad at all. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.